In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment in Miro. Whether you're collaborating on a project with your team or simply refining your own ideas, the ability to leave comments is invaluable for capturing feedback and driving discussions. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Miro website. You can easily find it by entering miro.com into your browser's address bar. Once the web page loads, look towards the top right corner where you'll spot the login button. Give it a click. Now, if you're like most people these days, chances are you have a Google account. Miro conveniently allows you to log in using your Google credentials, which saves you the hassle of having to remember yet another password. Click on Google and then select your Google account from the list that appears. This process seamlessly logs you in and you'll be set to start engaging with your boards. With your board open and ready for action, let's move on. Look to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find a range of tools that Miro offers. Among these, you'll see the comment button. Click on it. This action will activate the comment feature, allowing you to leave notes or feedback anywhere on the board. Next, type your comment onto the board. Simply click where you want your comment to appear and start typing. It's important to be clear and concise. If you're leaving feedback, make sure it's constructive to help foster collaboration. Whether it's a quick note or a detailed suggestion, your comments contribute tremendously to the board's collective input. Once you've typed everything you wanted to say, the final step is simple. Click on Send. This action posts your comment on the board for everyone involved to see. Anyone with access to the board can now read your comments and respond, creating a dynamic environment for communication and growth. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to utilize the commenting feature on Miro, enhancing your collaborative experience and ensuring that your voice is heard. This seemingly simple tool can have a huge impact on the efficacy and efficiency of your projects. Remember, commenting is not just about pointing out problems, but also about celebrating what works and proposing improvements. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial about commenting in Miro. I hope it enhances your next project significantly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to start using this feature regularly. Keep those ideas flowing and happy collaborating.